How does $2,000 sound for a fluorescent cat surfing a cosmic rainbow? What about a 3D taco that looks like it was rendered on an Atari console several decades ago? Or maybe a simple vector-drawn banana? This is the type of weird yet strangely lucrative world of NFTs. A new way of transferring unique things around the internet, especially art, and it's earning people millions. You're not alone if you read this article and feel mind-blown right after. Industries like art, music, and even finance are being turned upside, with new sellers emerging every day, selling unique things to other users on the internet. The famous artist Grimes recently sold several $1 million worth of art in the form of NFTs, and the internet is crying out for more. Even famous bands like Kings of Leon are now offering their music as a standard streamable album, but also as an NFT. In the world of sports, people are even selling game highlights in the form of NFTs too. If the world of cryptocurrency couldn't get any more confusing, we hate to disappoint, but NFTs have now arrived and they're here to stay. So best get your head around it now. So the question I'm sure you're all asking is, what are NFTs? NFTs explained. NFT is an acronym for non-fungible token. The technology that backs an NFT is similar to that of Bitcoin, except in the case of an NFT, your coins don't represent a monetary value. It represents an item unique to you. In effect, your NFT token identifies that you own something like a picture or a piece of music. You can trade these tokens, but once you've traded it, the original unique something you own is now solely somebody else's and cannot be cloned. I'm sure none of us will struggle with the concept that you can buy digital art and download it to your phone, laptop, or computer. The trouble with this old system is that technically anyone could copy that same piece of art, put it on Twitter, BitTorrent, Google Images, or a billion other places that could all technically host the exact same piece of art. NFTs are different, as at the time of sale, the sale item's owner is agreed upon and encrypted into the blockchain itself, therefore making the token completely unique to the buyer. In essence, NFTs are a type of asset, a digital one, where possession is logged on a blockchain. What is blockchain? Worthy question. In fact, we covered this topic on a previous video, so for a more in-depth explainer, we suggest you just watch that. The link will be left in the description below. But for those who want a quicker answer, imagine a record book that exists solely online, storing openly accessible evidence of who possesses what, comparable to networks that support crypto coins like Cardano, Ethereum, and Bitcoin to name a few. In the case of NFTs, your NFT would be connected to the Ether blockchain, and when you purchase a piece of digital art, music, or in fact any unique piece of work, your ownership details would be stored in the blockchain in the form of a smart contract. It's a very sound way of ensuring originals are preserved and fakes are kept away from the market, perfect for collectors. How are NFTs created exactly? You might be asking, why would someone want to pay $1 million for a cat GIF? Couldn't they get the exact same cat GIF from Giphy.com? While the answer is technically yes, NFTs are a way of authenticating the original, unique piece of art in a similar way that the Mona Lisa could be viewed by all over the internet, but the original is held at the Louvre in Paris. But how are NFTs actually purchased? How does a non-fungible token actually help an artist sell their work, or a musician sell their music? Well, let's take a look at Nifty Gateway. Nifty Gateway was founded in 2018 by brothers Duncan and Griffin Cockfoster, and is one of the numerous startup online NFT marketplaces that mint NFTs so they can be sold. Maker's Place and Super Rare also offer this service too, along with many others. Once the minting process is complete, the company then allocates it to a piece of digital art and logs it as a record in the custodial wallet of the company. This record book is publicly accessible, so you can always see who owns the NFT. How to buy NFTs? To be honest, there are lots of marketplaces to buy and sell NFTs now. Sites like Nifty Gateway, Maker's Place, and Super Rare we've already mentioned, but also OpenSea, Decentraland, and Rarible are a few more that have popped up recently. There are also music-focused platforms like Yellowheart, the platform that Kings of Leon used to release their music, but is also dubbed to be the answer to ticketing problems in the live event industry. Imagine buying a ticket to an event and having your details and only your details assigned to the ticket, so it can't be resold for obscene prices on a reseller website. Perhaps $1,000 festival tickets could be eliminated this way. How to make and sell NFTs. Believe it or not, people are actually making serious money from NFTs. Recently, famous examples of NFT sales include Beeple's Everydays, which sold for $69 million. Yes, $69 million. This piece of art was literally a canvas of 5,000 images collated. Anything is possible in the world of crypto. So let's say you have a way with a pen, brush, or even the guitar. We suggest you start with a marketplace like Nifty Gateway and apply to be a creator. The process is very straightforward to have your work minted, and you never know. Once you have listed your work for sale, maybe you could be the next Beeple. Are there any problems or controversies surrounding NFTs? The usual issues surrounding NFTs that exist in blockchain more broadly, mainly the ecological impact of NFT mining. Putting it really simply, when crypto and blockchain is as popular as it is now, the surge in NFT minting would only add to the power required to run the blockchain networks, using a ton of energy, literally. When you combine that with an ever-increasing level of transaction for monetary purposes, you suddenly have one energy-heavy industry. However, Ethereum, which holds and runs the NFT marketplaces and smart contracts, have pledged to find a more carbon-neutral way of running their network, though there are no actual plans in place for this to happen. While we could dive into the world of ethics, crime, and impersonations, we won't because all of these problems still exist in today's society, so we don't feel as though it's going to create any new problems. Hopefully, however, NFTs will provide more solutions than it creates problems, and could bring opportunity to people who beforehand never stood a chance in the arts industry. If you have enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate your support by helping to spread the word of The Quark. We are now on Instagram with the handle TheQuarkIG, as well as Facebook too. It goes without saying, remember to smash that like button, hit the bell icon, and as always, stay strange, everybody.